There's different parts of the brain that are involved in trauma, and it's important to be aware of these and the impact that they have so that we're able to make decisions on the most appropriate form of trauma therapy. So we've got the neocortex, which is the rational part of the brain. This is the part of the brain that's involved in decision making. It's the part of the brain that's involved in us being rational and logical about things. It's important to be aware of this because when a person suffers with trauma, this part of the brain is often shut down. And people who suffer with trauma will know this because when they are suffering with trauma, they find it difficult to make decisions and they find it difficult to be logical or rational about things. We then have the emotional brain, which is quite key to trauma. This is the part of the brain where a lot of our emotions are stored. It's the part of the brain that's responsible for our fight or flight response, which we know is crucial in trauma. When people experience trauma, the limbic brain or the emotional brain is most active. And so choosing a trauma therapy that is going to directly focus on this part of the brain is likely to be more effective. Therapies that work on the limbic brain include things like EMDR and somatic therapies. Therapies like EMDR and somatic therapies help you to regulate the emotions that are stored in the limbic brain, and they work to generally help you calm down the emotional part of the brain. They also help to create new networks with the neocortex, which is the rational part of the brain, which help you to see and learn that the trauma occurred in the past and that it's not something that's happening right now.